Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I have to get this video out immediately. You need to be aware of this phishing scam, or rather trying to trick me in thinking that my families helping families of Long Island.org domain is that needs to be renewed. Renewal notice. This is fake. This is 100% fake. So make sure you stay on top, or someone stays on top of the domain registration. And just to show you real quick, here is my domain registration, and it's not due until November of 2019. So obviously I'm up to date on all my domains that I have, and this information is fake. So, and then if you click on this, if you should get something similar to this, just be aware this reachbeam.org is fake. All right, it's clever, but unfortunately reachbeam doesn't, it's not a, you know, it's not a real site. Let's do that. Let's go to reachbeam.org. I'm curious. Reachbeam.org. Wow, looks like a brand new website to me. It doesn't do anything. So they set up a fake server located at this location. It's fake. So they have an email server, obviously. So let's check this out. Let's do something. Let's do an MX lookup. So let's check out on who is this. Who does their mail? So it's mail.reachbeam.org, and this is the IP address. Check it out. Where are you? France. So France is interested. Some guy in France is interested in my domain. Looking to renew my stuff. Really? Are you kidding me? And here's the actual domain of that IP address. Let's see what this goes. So they have, so this company here is associated with that IP address, which is associated with Reachbeam, and they're probably trying to steal people. That's not cool. And they are on a blacklist. oh, this is great. So they are on a spam list. So that just tells you how much, how bad this company is. And if I decide to go on this website here, let's see if we click on this, and what happens? Oh, look at that. Website blocked due to a Trojan. So this headlockplastics.com is trying to push a Trojan to my system. Wow. So they're trying to hack into me at the same time. So Malwarebytes Premium, this just tells you how incredible Malwarebytes Premium, you need to have that. And there's that IP address. So that's 192. Guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.